How to create a vision board that inspires. Action. A vision board visually represents your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It serves as a daily reminder of what you want to achieve, helping you focus your energy and maintain motivation. But creating a vision board isn't just about pasting pictures on a board. It's about setting clear intentions and crafting a tool that inspires action. This guide explores the purpose of vision boards, the steps to create one effectively, and how to use it as a powerful catalyst for achieving your goals. Why create a vision board? A vision board works by harnessing the power of visualization. By creating a tangible representation of your goals, you bring them to life in your mind and motivate yourself to take actionable steps toward achieving them. Here's why vision boards are effective. 1. Clarity of goals. A vision board helps you define what you want, breaking vague dreams into specific, visualized objectives. 2. Focus and motivation. Seeing your goals daily keeps you inspired and focused, especially during challenging times. 3. Positive energy. Creating and engaging with a vision board reinforces positive thinking and belief in your ability to succeed. 4. Action-oriented mindset. Visual cues prompt your subconscious mind to seek opportunities and take actions aligned with your goals. Steps to create a vision board that inspires action. 1. Reflect on your goals and dreams. Identify your priorities. Start by considering the areas of your life you want to focus on, such as career, relationships, health, personal growth, or finances. Ask key questions. What do I genuinely want to achieve? What excites and motivates me? How do I want to feel in the future? Be specific. Vague goals like be successful or get healthy can be challenging to visualize. Instead, aim for clarity. For example, earn a promotion to a managerial role or run a half marathon. 2. Gather materials. Physical vision board. You'll need a sturdy board, corkboard, poster board, or foam board, magazines, scissors, glue, and markers. Digital vision board. Use tools like Canva, Pinterest, or PowerPoint to create a digital version you can access on your phone or computer. 3. Choose visuals that resonate. Find images and words. Look for images, quotes, and affirmations that align with your goals. These can come from magazines, printouts, or your drawings. Incorporate personal touches. Use photos of yourself, your family, or places you've visited to make the board more relatable and meaningful. Use vibrant and inspiring colors. Choose positive and exciting visuals. 4. Organize your vision board. Create sections for each goal. Divide the board into areas representing different aspects of your life, such as health, career, relationships, and travel. Arrange creatively. Place the most essential goals in the center or highlight them with colors or frames. Include action-oriented elements. Add reminders like take the first step, stay consistent, or reach out for support. 5. Write down affirmations and intentions. Positive statements include affirmations like I am capable of achieving my dreams or I attract opportunities that align with my goals. Action steps. Write actionable phrases such as apply to 3 jobs this week or dedicate 30 minutes daily to exercise. 6. Assemble your vision board. Start with intent. Begin the process with a clear, focused mindset. Light a candle, play inspiring music, or take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Arrange thoughtfully. Place images and words on the board intuitively and visually appealingly. Secure items. Once satisfied with the layout, glue, pin, or attach everything firmly. 7. Place your vision board where you'll see it daily. Frequent exposure. Display your vision board in a place you visit often, such as your bedroom, office, or workspace. Digital versions. Save a digital vision board as your phone wallpaper or computer background for constant reminders. How to use your vision board to inspire action. 1. Engage with your vision board daily. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing yourself achieving your goals. This reinforces belief in your ability to succeed. Use it as a motivational tool to start your day with focus and determination. 2. Break goals into actionable steps. Identify small, manageable tasks that move you closer to each goal on your vision board. For example, if your vision board includes an image of a new house, break it into steps like save for a down payment or research neighborhoods. 3. Track your progress. Your vision board as a benchmark to measure progress. Celebrate milestones and update the board as goals evolve. 4. Stay flexible and open. Your goals may shift over time. Adjust your vision board to reflect new aspirations or changes in priorities. Embrace unexpected opportunities that align with your overarching vision. 5. Combine visualization with affirmation. Pair visualizing your goals with affirming statements to strengthen your belief in your ability to achieve them. For instance, while looking at an image of a diploma, say, "I am committed to completing my degree with excellence." Common mistakes to avoid when creating a vision board. 1. Being too vague. Clearly define your goals to ensure your vision board inspires actionable steps. Example, replace "be healthier" with "exercise 3 times a week" or "eat 5 servings of vegetables daily." 2. Overloading the board. Avoid cramming too many goals or visuals onto your board. A cluttered board can feel overwhelming. Focus on 3-5 primary goals to maintain clarity and focus. 3. Neglecting the action plan. A vision board without actionable steps is just a collection of pictures. Pair each goal with specific actions you can take. 4. Not reviewing it regularly with your vision board daily or weekly. If it becomes invisible from neglect, it loses its power to inspire. 5. Copying others' goals. Your vision board should reflect your unique aspirations, not societal expectations or someone else's dreams. Inspiring examples of vision boards. 1. Career and financial goals. Vision board includes images of a dream job, a growing savings account, or an entrepreneurial venture. Features affirmations like "I create value in my work" and actionable steps like "attend one networking event this month." 2. Health and wellness. Vision board features photos of nutritious meals, fitness goals, and a serene mental health focus. For example, meditation or therapy. Includes reminders like prioritize self-care and exercise 30 minutes daily. 3. Travel and adventure. Vision board highlights dream destinations, passports, and adventure activities. Include specific plans like save $500 monthly for a trip to Europe or learn basic French before traveling. 4. Personal growth. Vision board contains quotes about self-discovery, books to read, or learning skills. Features intentions like develop public speaking skills or cultivate gratitude daily. Long-term benefits of vision boards. 1. Clarity and focus. Regular engagement with your vision board keeps you aligned with your goals. 2. Motivation boost. Visual reminders of your aspirations inspire consistent effort. 3. Positive mindset. Vision boards reinforce belief in your ability to succeed, promoting confidence and resilience. 4. Goal achievement. Combining visualization with action leads to measurable progress and success. Final thoughts. Creating a vision board is a powerful practice that bridges the gap between dreaming and doing. By visually representing your goals and incorporating actionable steps, you transform a simple board into a dynamic personal growth and achievement tool. Take time to reflect, plan, and engage with your vision board daily, and watch as it inspires meaningful action and brings your dreams to life. The future you envision starts with the intentional steps you take today.